Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global used cooking oil market was estimated to be around $7 billion in 2024 and is estimated to grow at CAGR of 5.7% by 2034. The market will cross $12.2 billion valuation by 2034, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Growing awareness of sustainability and waste reduction and advancements in recycling technologies are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on source, the used cooking oil market from household cooking oil segment was valued at $2.8 billion in 2024, and it is anticipated to expand by 5.9% of CAGR during 2025 to 2034. Based on processing, the UCO segment was valued at $3.9 billion in 2024. Regionally, U.S. used cooking oil market was valued at $2.2 billion in 2024. Key players in the used cooking oil market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.